need you, baby. This
So, what made you get into this field of work?
It all just happened so suddenly. Mm-hmm. I was sitting at home, you know, doing whatever 20-year-old does, you know, in this daily, day-to-day thing, and I kind of stumbled into it, you know. Met some people. I was excited about what I wanted to do, you know, and it all took off from there. You know, I got a few interviews with some pretty important people, and they liked my ideas, so I pretty much flew to the top from there. It was a wild ride. Give it a chance, I probably would have taken it slower than, if I had the chance.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's amazing.
Thanks. There's a lot of hustle and bustle. I'm not really too sure. I walked in the door and like there's all these people, and you know, I mean, I guess this is fun. I mean, it's really when you wake up and when you think about what you want to do. Like if you wake up and think about writing, I mean, obviously you're a writer. Then again, maybe you just thought about writing for the day.
It's great, so we have to recheck that. This is cool because there's all the scene as soon as we get shot and we're done with the scene.
We gotta go fucking have dinner.
Yeah, we go have dinner. Okay, cool.
It's been a really long day, and I thought things were gonna be run a lot more smoothly, but you know, you take what you can get when you work in this industry.
I see.
This looks good. Why? Okay. Looks good. See how this looks, man? Okay, guys, we're like almost in these are easy shots to get on with.
We did both yours at the same time.
Hold the turkey.
We did more.
It's tough to say. There's a lot of good experiences, a lot of touching moments.
So as far as touching moments, were you touching people? Or was it just, you know, stuff that made you think?
Well, I don't think it's ever got caught on camera, but there was one moment.
Okay, cool.
I can feel myself grow.
We might have to cheat this again. Take a step back. So right there. Take a step forward.
You know, I really expanded, went beyond my horizons. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. It really pushed me, and it showed me what I was capable of doing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's frame up shot for Summer to walk in.
Where's Danny? Danny will tell me the truth. Danny!
Danny!
Oh.
That is really disgusting.
It's been my dream for about as long as I remember. So I don't know. I woke up about 6 hours ago.
So are there any special perks that come with this job?
You get to laugh at people at their expense, but they never know because usually it's all just a joke. But little do they know they're the joke. Here's my song. Here's my ode to Isaac's shot. Isaac, you sing me a song.
Count you in the shot. Of course, I'd love to say that it made me a better person.
Yeah, I think this is start talking.
Cut that out. Count you in the shot. I honestly couldn't tell you yet. At this point in my life, I'd say I've learned a lot. Mm-hmm. Where that's gonna lead, I mean, who knows? Only that man.
Now, is there any conflict right now in your situation? You know, with this experience or without this experience?
I'm sorry, what? What were you saying?
She feels very uncomfortable right now.
I do! What do you want me to do?
Alright, ready guys?
What's wrong, women?
And how do you feel How important do you think that your job is compared to, let's say, Alex's job?
Truth be told, I think mine's a hell of a lot more important. You know, if it weren't for great hair in movies, then, you know, what would they be left with? Bald people? Who wants to look at that?
So it's a good point. And Danny, how do you feel?
Don't even get me started on Danny.
I think I've given a little bit of comic relief. You know, I'd say it's been a pretty stressful day here on the set.
What the fuck is he here for? Is he here just to distract everyone? Just to, I'm gonna hang my balls up my jeans. That's great. Thanks, Danny. Appreciate that.
Do you feel he's played a major role with what he was you know, hired on today?
Oh yeah. How he did their hair. Oh yeah. He didn't do anything. It was Brianna was in there doing everything. She was the one in there doing makeup, doing hair, and he was sitting over there trying to do hair, and then she had to go and fix it after he did it. Thanks for coming, Danny. Thanks for showing up.
Speaking of egos, how do you feel that how do you feel Kyle's status of stud number 1? Like, what are your thoughts on that?
I think it's a joke. I think he's got a big ego. So he fits it in his big head over there. But you know, we don't need a stud number 1. Okay? We have our leads, and that's it. We don't need a stunt cock. We don't need any of that. So I don't even know what his job is around here.
You know what's going on?
Thanks. That's
Okay.
fine.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, and then remember.
So how do you feel Aaron has affected this shot? I mean, would you say he's played a positive role?
He really hasn't done much of anything. I mean, he's just kind of there.
I mean, if you said you're already at the top, so I mean, what's next?
I'm settled where I am right now. If something else came along that sparked my interest, of course, yes, I would go for it.
You know, he whines about everything. He wants a bigger role, you know, and then Alex comes in and takes over his role, and he's all huffing and puffing. Oh, I have to hold this boom.
Guys, on set.
Get over it. Hold the goddamn boom, okay?
But I got a good thing here. Helps. It pays the mortgage.
It's good.
I mean, mortgages. Sorry. But yeah, it definitely it makes life exciting, and I love it. I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world.
And what about Alex? Came in, started as a second AD, now he's first AD.
Yeah, what the hell happened with that? You know, just because he comes in and doesn't come up to do his job, you know, which is actually to help out with the lighting and help out with the sound room, just because he's too lazy to go over and pick up his equipment, Isaac suddenly promotes him to say, you know, you call action, you call rolling.
Alex can call action. Alex, call action over here. So, Alex, when you're ready.
And action. Action.
See, but call it
Action.
What the fuck's up with that? You know? He doesn't know anything. He doesn't know what he's doing. He's got his head so far up his ass. It's ridiculous. You know? It's.
Do you think he's like helped at all or
No.
played a major role?
No, he hasn't done anything except for fuck up scenes so far. That's all he's done.
Yeah, so.
And then he's walking around with this little handy cam camera, you know, trying to videotape everyone. Oh, I got that one on tape. Thanks.
Oh, look, Alex, you pumped asshole. You just call action? You're running this whole show?
Just, you know what, go.
Bullshit. This is bullshit.
Go again.
Dude, what the hell just happened?
Next.
How do you feel about the, you know, producer, director / lead male?
Ungrateful. Ungrateful. I'm more than upset right now. I'm just gonna say that. I feel like Isaac isn't respecting the job that I've done. He doesn't appreciate it.
What do you think about that, Isaac?
Fuck this shit. Started yelling at me about the battery, the camera battery. He hands me a battery charger. Isaac, where's the battery? No response. Isaac, where's the battery? No response. Fuck it, I'll just go plug this shit in anyway. Couldn't plug that shit in. Couldn't find an outlet for it. It falls out of everything. Okay. Why? Why?
Okay then. You need to be the last person.
Can someone please tell me why?
I usually have
Why?
wigs in my hair.
Except kind of more of a man.
And then he asked me, well, where's the charged battery?
Yeah, but apparently they didn't charge it.
You didn't give it to me, fuckhead.
This is what he gave to me.
Okay, that's fine. We need. Okay, I need the connector to the camera.
What is that? That's not a connector, dude.
No, I know. And we need that though, so we can shoot this. I took it upstairs.
This is not a very happy time. I'm getting blamed for a bunch of shit that I never did. It's...
Need you, baby. This craving makes me crazy. I'm dying.